All right, Reborn team here. We have a 1979 Porsche 924. It is missing a few things like the back windshield, the front windshield, but it might run. We're about to find out. So we got a battery thrown in it. We're going to work on a fuel situation for a moment. It's got a key, it's got a title on the way, and this will be potentially the 924 shitbox.
So there's a few things wrong with it. I mean, I've seen the jewel. So just turn it over?
Yep. On. And then I'll do it again.
Just crank it.
You want me to try to crank it?
Yeah, crank it. Push it. There you go, stop. Because you're going to use your juice. There you go.
Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby.
Running low on fuel, you guys. Low on fuel.
Hey, come look at the leak. What do you think? I mean, we could do it.
I personally would be happy to drive it. I've been on fire before. That won't be.
But that
won't cause a problem necessarily.
But that's like, I mean, that's dripping.
It's a lot of leak though. The coolant system's probably not up to snuff. There's a little duct tape on the coolant system. That probably won't hold up on the way back to the shop. So we're going to put this down, assuming it clears the battery. Or is it going to ground the battery? I can't tell. And we're going to put her on the trailer, so I think my backer's straight on there, and I might have to even start her to get her up. We'll see. Okay, the leaky 924 is on the trailer. It started. We forgot the actual straps. We have a full racing set of straps. Didn't bring them, so we have these the old trusty 4 of them. You know, at least we got 4. I've done 2 before. It's worse. It's in gear. Tires are holding air. We're starting the project. 924 shitbox, here we go. Oh, never mind. I take back everything I said. This is perfect. It runs, dude. I drove it onto the trailer. Yeah? All right, let's hear it. I will. Just give me this. Cheapest oil that we own. Probably somebody got it for free with their oil change kit from AutoZone. I think we should put it all in. Yeah.
Did we ask him the last
Should
time?
have called our sponsor Valvoline and Motul and got this sorted out.
Did we ask him last time the oil was changed?
No, but it looks pretty good honestly. It's brown. It's like it's not even dark enough. It's kind of like a rotating oil change.
Yeah, you don't
ever change it. Dude, honestly, though, the oil on the stick looks like it's not even dark.
All right, tell him what we're doing.
We're doing the first burnout in the 924.